inscription on everything you need. Exactly what I was telling y'all.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss, went and bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour all ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell myself, sell anything, I need a stove now.
What up, man? It's your boy Court, aka YK Slim. Back at y'all with a video, man. Today, gonna be putting my tire stickers on my tires. And wanna know, I got it from a company called Tire Stickers. The link will be in the description. You wanna order you some. You can get them temporary or you can get them permanent also. It just depends on how you wanna get them. Customize them any kind of way you want, any kind of color you want them also. So the link will be in the description, man. If you like the video, wanna go into it, customize you some, just click that link, man. So you will need some acetone. Get you some gloves also, man. Don't get no rubber glove. That acetone will eat right through them, man. Get you 2 rags, man. 1 to clean the tire, 1 to wipe the acetone on. 3 also. I also got a white rag I'm gonna use to, you know, after I use the acetone, just to check and see if all the grease and all the dirt's still off the tire. So make sure you wash the tire first. And make sure you're gonna use acetone, man, at least about 10 coats of it, man. I'm just gonna be honest with you, just to get that dirt off of it. And man, it's not that hard, but you do gotta do it in a warm climate. So you outside and the wind blowing and stuff like that, probably ain't gonna work. Do it around probably like 65 degrees. That's what it say. You do not need a heat gun, man. I tried it with the heat gun and it didn't work out right. So yeah, man, you do not need a heat gun, man. It come with a stretcher, man. Tell you everything you need. Like I told you, you're gonna need some acetone, man. And it's pretty much simple, man. You just peel it off, press them down. It got a heat gun right there, man, but I don't know. I tried it, didn't work. So yeah, here's your inscription on it, man. Like I said, they're from Tire Stickers. So, that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Yeah, man, so this everything you're gonna need. Gonna need some acetone, gloves. I'll get it later. And fiber cloth. And you're gonna need some rags, man. And here they go. There they go, man. Get your inscription on everything you need. Exactly what I was telling y'all. So, tell you what I forgot to do, man. These little things right here, I forgot to peel them off. So, man, make sure y'all pull these things off, man. Make sure you take them off. Cause it will be stuck up under the decal. The acetone is just to clean the tires, man. Get all the grease, dirt off the tires and stuff. So, go ahead and put that on right now.
I came to win. I did not come to lose. Ready for the race, I done bought some new shoes. Don't care what they do, better watch these moves. Ice on me, got
Alright, so I had to bring the tire inside because it's kind of cool out there on my balcony, so I brought the tire inside. I already did the other tire, so I'm gonna show you how about that. I already done prepped the tire, I already washed it, wiped it down with acetone a couple times. Tell you gotta wipe it down at least 10 times, man. But just to get the dirt and the grease off the tire, just so it can stick. So I said I already wiped it down, so now I gotta do a apply, put it on, kind of simple. kinda easy. Yeah. I said kinda cool outside, man. Said you gotta have at least around 65 degrees. I mean, it's warmer than outside. It's just my balcony got shade right now and the wind blowing, man. So I said, man, you know, kinda easy, man. You just put it apart. All you gotta do, man, put it off. Try not to get your fingers stuck. Yeah, you just put it on, man. Try not to tear it off. That's something y'all do in the rest. Hey man, so once you peel it off, area clean, area dry. Just apply it on them exactly where you want it at. I kinda got mine already melted out. I got mine already melted out where I wanted it. Basically what you do with the clean it anyway. You just press it down, man. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, man. Y'all know those little things that be sticking out the top. Make sure you peel all of those off because now it's going to be in the way of the detail. Gonna be sticking up. Gonna have bubbles and stuff right there. So yeah. I guess y'all already know what Kai gonna say, but anyway, man, these are the only two tools I use, man. The only two that I use so far to do this. It's just to, smooth it out, man. Make sure everything's straight. Get all the bubbles out the way. And I kind of use this, man, for like the ends, because the ends be trying to come up. It's just like to push the ends down. The end very, very fine, especially the top. And you can pick different fonts, man. Different fonts, you can change the size on them. And I want big dollars, man, because me, I like to be seen. So yeah, man, like I said, your first time to the channel, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man, so I can go ahead and do this giveaway when I hit that 1K subscribers, man. Matter of fact, man, comment also. Let me see if y'all. Man, those are the best. Let me get some ideas, man. If you're feeling this, when I put them on, I don't know if I'm going to put them on right now, but if I don't put them on today, I'm going to put them on probably tomorrow. Either way it goes, it's going to be in this video. It won't be another video, it's going to be the same video. I don't know, it might make two. I don't know, man. We'll see. But I'm supposed to be linking up with some more guys. So, yeah, man, like I said, but y'all just stay tuned. Got the wire already, peeled off. I like to just go and cut it off. But I already peeled off, so I won't be sticking back to it. I just cut a little piece off. And I don't try to do the whole thing. I try to go letter by letter. That way, I know for a fact I take my time with it, do it better than if I go letter by letter. She lives so fast, she go in the head, she go and talk sweet. Put it in her head, when I'm on that bed, I leave her not need. And she give me head like she wanna beg, I know that she need me. I open the lens, I know she gon' spread like she got the best knees. Know that I'm pushing a button, they locking and stuck, I need no keys. I know that little shot on my tight, I need on my straight, they referees. I know that little shot on my tight, she do what I like, she low key. Shot be dripping like ice, she poppin' like Sprite, she drippy. And she gon' beat on that head, yeah, top, no. And you know I beat her, then she get beat, she get came from the lower level, now I'm top now. And then she say she wanna spend time with me, then she gon' need a stop. I ain't got no time, no, I be on go. Go to 4-5 like a quarter to 4. That's a nigga that 5, some nigga that slime, they pull up, they sick, they wipe on your nose. Some nigga that G, some nigga that crook, but no, they ain't cripple, won't slow, they gon' roll. They gon' pay for no head, but got top pay. So she got only fans, I could buy a stadium. I'm breaking them off, you know I embrace them. I'm all in them off, I'm just some brace. My kiss on the tongue, she tasting my daycare. We got cheat codes, she know we don't play. And if they ain't with me right now, they can stay there. My boy back in the truck, he gon' stay there. Wherever they play with me, yeah, they gon' lay there. Every time they would pull up and she moving so fast, she go in their head, she go and talk speed. Put a
in her head when I'm on that bed, I leave her not need. And she give me head like she wanna beg, I know that she need me. I open the lens, I know she gon' spread like she got the best knees. Know that I'm pushing a button, they locking it stuck, I need no keys. I know that little shot on my tight, I need on my strike like referees. I know that little shot on my tight, she do what I like, she low key. Shot be dripping like ice, she popping like Sprite, drippy.
Yeah, man, so I'm finally done, man. Thank God I'm finally done. It was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know, because the temperature, I don't know, man, but I finally got it done. It turned out okay. I guess because I've been had them for a while, they probably done got kind of old, you know, sticky already. But anyway, I got the temporary kind in. You know, I ain't get the permanent kind because y'all already know me, man. Not trying to tell me and I'm throwing the rim back on anyway, especially if I get my new rim. So I'm gonna let y'all see. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on today because it getting kind of late right now, man. So I probably won't put them on today. Ain't that thing look good, baby? I probably won't put them on today, man. But I'm gonna let y'all check them out so far, see how they look. And I'm gonna let y'all see how they look when I put them on also, man.
I'ma slow down. I can slow down. It don't make no sound. I need some more now. She wanna tap out. Living like too fam, mom told me, boy, you better slow down. Done made it out so many fucked up places, I still don't know how. Pretty little bitch gon' fuck for free, she like to go down. When I get it, them cheat, no 1, 2, 3, she don't wanna tap out. So I took my piss when I bought me a chop, so I'ma need more round. Tryna sell my pride and put it to the side, but the shit won't go down. Gotta pour ice, get way too hot for me to slow down. Won't sell my soap, sell anything, I need to slow down.